Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you this quick 5-minute pre-poo that I made. Now let's get started with this video. So my first ingredient for this quick 5-minute pre-poo is my aloe vera leaf. So the first thing I will do, I will extract my aloe vera gel from my aloe vera leaf. Because I'm trying to get the gel form, I'm not gonna blend this. I'm going to just scoop it out with a knife. If you're not comfortable using a knife, you can use a spoon, but I'm more comfortable using a knife, so this is what I'm just scooping it off like that with a knife. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Now I'm going to remove my strainer and get ready to add our next ingredient, which will be olive oil, and then I'm gonna add some honey. Mix it all up. Obviously the gel and the oil won't mix because aloe vera gel is like water, so they really won't mix, but because I'm trying to make this pre-poo be quick, I decided to mix it up together. If you want, you can do them separate, but I decided to put them together. So the next thing I will do is to put this mixture on her hair, and I will always start with the end to avoid split ends, and I will massage it all over her hair. As usual, I will do this in sections. This is definitely the best if you only have few minutes or an hour or 2 hours to wash your hair and you really need to pre-poo your hair. So this is really quick because in like 5-10 minutes you are done with the pre-poo. Let me know in the comment below what is your favorite pre-poo that takes you only 5 minutes to do, and maybe I can try that next time. As usual, I try to use my fingers to detangle her hair. So this is what I'm doing here, just putting the pre-poo on her hair and using my finger and massaging her scalp at the same time. Here are some benefits of using aloe vera gel, honey, and olive oil on your hair. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channels for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Then I will put a plastic cap on her hair and let it sit there for 20 to 30 minutes.